Hey guys, it's Kara Merrill. Welcome to the channel. Today's video, day 2 of the six-figure partner program. People are already having great results and sales with this program, myself included. Some people up to $1,500 commissions. And the thing I love about this program is that it's helping people have these wins up front early on, so they have the confidence to know that they too can build a successful online business. I'm going to turn this over to my business partner, Joshua Elder. He's going to explain to you a little bit more about the incredible results that people are getting with this program. So go ahead and listen to Josh now.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. As you know, it's been about 2 days now, 2 full days that this brand new six-figure partner program opportunity has launched. And as promised, I told you guys that I would show you the results that our students have been getting inside of our Facebook group. Now, up to this point, I think the first day we had about 4 or 5 people, if I remember right, maybe 6 people that generated combined right around 17 sales on the first day. Well, it's now the full second day that this specific program has launched. And we've now got about 16 people that have at least generated 1 sale inside of their business, leveraging the six-figure partner program. Now, I've been getting comments from people asking, okay, well, what kind of sales are they making? Like, what is it that they're selling? Number one, they're promoting a digital educational program, right? That essentially teaches people how to start and grow an online business. Number two, how much are they making from these sales? Well, on the front end, we've got a $7 offer that when somebody purchases that $7 offer, they get 100% commissions on the front end. And then we've got a few other products throughout the funnel, throughout the sequence that they also earn commissions off of. The coolest thing about this is we're not just selling candy bars. Had somebody in the comments saying, well, are you selling candy bars? Because so many people are making sales. When people go through this sequence and they decide to upgrade, our students are generating high ticket commissions. Now, this high ticket commission on screen is a commission that came through as a result of bringing somebody in the very front door of the $7 offer. So if you like the idea of having a done with you business and even a done for you business, where you can literally partner with me and copy my business and inject it into your business and your life, regardless of your experience level, I invite you to click the link below this video. Check out the six-figure partner program. You're going to learn a little bit more about it, what exactly you are going to be doing, because that's a common question. Well, Josh, how much does it cost? What am I going to be doing? Don't worry. We're going to answer all those questions, whether it be myself or one of our certified coaches. So go ahead, click the link below. We're going to continue to keep updating you on the results that we're getting. As you can see here, I'm just in my hotel room for the second day. We've got a student that we're coaching out here in Park City, Utah. It's been a really cool couple of days. We helped them set up their whole entire business, help them get their traffic running. And that's kind of been the goal, is to, number one, fish for you, allow you to get those quick wins, allow you to get those results, and then actually teach you how to fish. Teach you how to drive traffic, teach you how to build funnels. Because I know a lot of you guys are just overwhelmed as to where to begin, and you really don't believe that making money online actually works. And if we can provide you with those small wins and even some of those big wins, I think it'll really build confidence in you and show you that this does in fact work, which is why I started the six-figure partner program. So go ahead, click the link below if you're interested, and we will see you on the next page.